In July 2025, a major engineering milestone was achieved in Ulаанбаатар. A 32-meter-long steel bridge was successfully installed, connecting two high-rises. The installation took place at night to minimize disruption in the busy city center, allowing traffic to flow smoothly and nearby businesses to operate without interruption. All cranes and crew carried out the work safely and efficiently. This is the first bridge of its kind in Mongolia, designed entirely from steel with no supporting pillar beneath. Before installation, the entire operation was meticulously planned over 7 days. The project team, geodesy engineers, and crane operators collaborated to map out every step. This planning was crucial because both space and time were limited. To ensure accuracy and avoid any measurement errors, the bridge was fully pre-assembled in advance. Before the operation began, our team carried out detailed crane planning, carefully analyzing load capacities, lift radii, and positioning to determine the most efficient setup. We carefully coordinated the use of one 200-ton crane and two 100-ton cranes, ensuring precise positioning, safe lifting procedures, and smooth teamwork throughout the operation. One of the key requirements was that the 20-ton bridge must not touch the ground during installation. Using 3 cranes, the bridge remained suspended from the moment it was lifted until it was securely positioned between the two buildings, standing 5.5 meters above ground level. Engineers and workers guided the bridge into place and secured all connections step by step, ensuring safety and precision. By morning, the bridge stood complete, a new link between two high-rise buildings, a demonstration of advanced engineering capability, and a new standard for future engineering projects in Mongolia.